You're next. Before we begin, remember that this class is for educational purposes only, is not medical advice. Please work within your own limits. If you experience pain, dizziness, or any concerning symptoms, stop immediately and consult your healthcare provider. By participating, you accept responsibility for your own health and safety.
So today we're gonna answer the questions, and we're gonna ask ChatGPT what's the most asking questions for massage therapy in California, in Los Angeles area. So I'm just go through, and here we go. So I asked the questions. It's got 25 questions. They're almost like similar, most of them. So we're gonna go ahead and answer all those questions. What's this medical massage therapy? So medical massage therapy, it's a specific manual or massage therapy, soft tissue manipulation, which is the focus on the pain. The medical massage, it's the high level of massage therapy, because in medical massage you need to identify the issue, find the source of the pain, and correct it and work with this problem. It's not like a full body massage. I know people come in, they believe if they do full body massage, they're going to help them with a full body recovery. You need to focus. If you have experienced pain, if you do have a pain in your body, you need to choose the medical therapy to identify the issue and create that long-term relationship between you and the therapist. And as long as massage therapists keep you without pain, that's that's going to tell you how professional this manual therapist is. Okay, so next questions. What's the difference between medical massage and deep tissue massage? Well, it's a big difference. Like I said, deep tissue, guys, most of the time people start using good strong pressure in the body, and trust me, sometimes it's unnecessary, because if you have a chronic lower back pain inflammation, it's not going to feel good for you. You're going to feel sore pain during massage. You don't want that. You want real, true specialists who are going to take care of your medical massage therapy, and that's what you're looking for. Can medical massage help with chronic pain? That's a good question. Yes, that's what you're looking for. Long-term relationship between you and massage therapist, and massage therapists help you and keep you without pain as long as possible. And yes, medical massage, it's a great chronic pain remedy, I would say that. Can massage help with sciatica? Yes, definitely. Headaches, yes. Shoulder pain, yes. This massage therapy being designed, like I said, to check the issue with particular problem, like let's say your sciatica. Why it's a sciatica up there? Is that your hips unbalanced? Is that your ankle problem? And those specialist medical massage therapists, they will identify that and start treat it. That's what you're looking for. Is deep tissue massage good for chronic pain? No, not at all. Because like I said, people come in with chronic lower back pain. Let's say the therapist try to use a lot of pressure on the spine, and trust me, the next day the clients feel more pain, more soreness, because it's unnecessary to put too much pressure and deep tissue massage to release that pain. It have to be something else. The movements, the motion is lotion. That's what the key is to successful treatment. You want to move. You don't want just release that soreness, which is coming back again, because you're nothing changing the posture, you're nothing changing your movements, you're not changing nothing in your pattern, and that's the key. So always choose medical massage or even more fascial release. Deep tissue massage, it's in the past. Okay. How often should I do chronic pain release massage? I believe So this is how everything works. Let's say you're the first time customer in LifeRX. You shows up. We do assessment. We look at you as a customers and see how we can help you. If let's say if you are in very, like I said, very painful stage, you got a lot of stuff going on with you, we always do some second opinion or even third opinion with people. We try to calibrate with a physiotherapist, we try to calibrate with a chiropractor, and of course with the soft tissue manipulation. But I highly suggest just see how the first session go, get some package, 4 or 5 massages, see how you feel after, and keep maintain. But if you already feel good after therapy, to maintain it's probably once or twice a month. Yeah, that's a suggestion amount of massage therapy for months. Does medical massage hurt? No. This is the big mistake when people go to those painful massages. When massage therapists apply a lot of pressure or do some painful massage, you can relax. You start guarding. Your brain is start trying to protect you. This is the first function of your brain. It's try to protect you from the pain. And when people do painful massage, you start get contracted and you can't relax. The idea is let it go, that tension. Start get that motion is in this area, and that's what the brain do. Lock it in and no move. So okay, next question. Do I need a doctor referral for medical massage in California? Yes, it's a best. If people come in, let's say some very serious stuff, they have some sharp pain in the body, or they've been in a car accident, we'll always send them to the doctor, or doctor referral to us. You have to check. We always send it to the X-ray, MRI. You need to make sure it's nothing is deep up there, nothing is being broke, nothing is serious in there. And that's, yeah, you need to go through the doctor first. Make sure it's everything okay with you. Does the health insurance cover medical massage in California? Not really, unfortunately. The insurance has been very picky with all that stuff because we have some accidents with the people, not honesty people work in this field, and they overuse the insurance policies, and yeah, now it's not a good situation with be covered by insurance. Some do, some people work. It's really pain in the ass for massage therapists. So much time have to go, all this paperwork. It's not worth it. So a lot of people not work with the medical insurance. Does insurance medical? Okay, can I use HSA or FSA funds for medical massage? What we do, and we use our clients, some use the flexible spending. Flexible spending, we send them receipt, and that's really work. I'm not sure what's the HSA, but FSA, it's a flexible spending account, and it's really work. Yes, FSA should work with the medical massage, and you're gonna get covered. You're gonna get like some money back. Uh, is massage therapy considered healthcare in California? Yes. Lately, yes, they changed it. They switched from adult entertainment to the healthcare provider, which is great. People start getting more learning, get some more certification on some particular type of massages, and this is great. Very, very good stuff. Just changed recently. Is that California massage therapy licensed or certified? Yes. The professional medical massage therapists have to be licensed and insurance covered. This is the difference between those tutti frutti massage places and the true massage place. You have to be insurance and license. And you probably smart idea to go to those people if you have any pain or discomfort. Relaxation massage, yeah, sure, why not? Just cut the time off, like, feel good. Yeah, just go to places and see how you're gonna feel. Um, okay, what should I expect during a pain management massage session? That's a good question. Don't expect anything, because depends how deep your pain is, how long is pain being up there. You can't expect that there's going to be change in one session. It's create uh, the the structure, the term, the packages, and at least like a 5-6 session. Like I said, this depends on each cases. If a person come in, never been in gym for like last 20 years, he got pain most everywhere, and he wants to be recover from one session, is just an illusion, and it's not going to work. And people, they come in from one therapist to another, jump, and never get results. So try to stick with one therapist who's going to identify your issue, who's going to tell you about like the postural problems, and start doing those treatments. Create the plan. This is what you're looking for. If you come in to the place and they not create plan, long-term relationship, it's not that place you've been looking for, especially for the pain. We're talking about pain right now. Okay, next questions. How is pain management massage different from physical therapy? Well, physical therapy, they focus on the movements, they focus on loading your muscle, see the movements, check your range of motions, and strengthening your body through those exercise, through those whatever they do. We work with the soft tissue. We apply our hands to your body, and that's what the difference is. Sometimes we do even better. We apply bands during the massage treatment and activate your muscle through that motion and through the soft tissue manipulation and bands, resistant bands applying. This is the great stuff. It's a new technique, a very cool one. Can massage help with after sport injury? Yes. The sport injury definitely need to go through the massage therapy and soft tissue manipulation. Why? Because your fear, your pain is going to be limit your motion. Your brain is going to think you're going to injure yourself again. To get this to the level, to open this up, to make that move again, you need to prove your brain you can do those movements. And that's with the soft tissue manipulation and range of motion massage therapy. Can massage help after the car accident to work on my injuries? Yes, correct. This is again same thing. If you've been injured, always go to the doctor, do MRI, X-ray, make sure it's nothing serious, and the therapists have to be very cautiously approach those cases. When people come in and say, I've been in a car accident, I've always asked about X-ray, MRI, and if they don't do that, if they don't done this, they just like guessing. Yeah, I send them to do those treatments, to approach us. X-ray or MRI, and after they come back, we start doing treatment. Sometimes people sign the waiver because they just book it massage. They want to feel better. We do some stuff, but we're not treated as we're supposed to be, like supposed to, because we want to make sure it's nothing is serious up there, like it's no any disc problem after car accident. So we want that. Okay, can massage help me with muscle spasm and trigger points? Yes, it's a particular therapy with a spasm. Or why it's a spasm? It's happened because some group of muscle is overloaded and some muscle is weak. Let's say I am and you unloading truck, you and me, and we both have to unload whatever, like 100 bags each. And after 20 bags unloading truck, I say, "Oh, I'm tired. I can't do it." So my partner will unload my portion of my truck too, because we have to finish no matter what. Same with our body. It's movement happen, and if I'm compensated, I'm not working 100%, overloading my partner, overloading opposite group of muscles, and that's what happened with our body, overloading and compensation. Uh, can massage improve mobility and range of motions? Yes, this is for sure. It's 100%. That's what massage can do, help mobility, and of course, self-care exercise. You have to do this almost every day to check your body, to see if you are capable to do those movements. And don't limit yourself. If you keep limited, if you don't do anything, that's going to be the bad. You're going to pay the price. Can massage help posture-related pain from sitting at the computer? Correct. Yes. We're working on that front fascia, which is you slouch forward. We try to open that chest, open that neck, a little bit strengthening your back, and of course, home exercise like a wall angel help you with this postural position. But yes, The sitting position at the computer desk, it's the worst thing, and it's create a lot of problems in our lower back, in our hip. For the guys, it's very, very serious stuff. If you sit a lot, you lock this energy in your hips. It's going to affect your sexual life. It's not just men, for everyone. So sitting position is not that great. So yes, we definitely can work on that. Okay, can massage help pinch nerve or nerve-related pain? Yes, it's definitely help. Like I said, a combination of physical therapy and massage therapy to give the best result. For pinch nerve, it's also chiropractor because adjustment can help release that spine, which is pushing on that nerve and create that discomfort. But highly recommend do X-ray, MRI to make sure it's nothing serious up there. You don't have any stenosis or spondylolisthesis, all those deep damage of the spine. Because if people don't know about it, you don't know about it, you're going to treat as a healthy spine and can create more problem. We want to make sure it's nothing up there. When should I not get massage for pain? Well, it's many contraindication. If it's open wound, if you have some fever, if you have some what's the call, spread disease problems, definitely the therapist is not gonna work on you. Open wounds, burn skin, what else? Particular pathology, like if you have like a diabetes, people need to like multiply sclerosis, so fibromyalgia. It's have to be specific therapists who knows how to work. If you get those serious pathology and you go to just regular massage therapist, and they probably don't know what to do with this in this case. So medical therapy, it's definitely for the pain management massage, but in some cases, even we can't touch it. And like I said, sometimes people come in, I got car accident, I fell from the stairs. We not touch you till you bring some papers, till you bring you. We understand it's nothing serious up there, and that's the key. Sometimes it's a big swelling. We're not working in specific area. Just go around, make sure it's like drainage, the drain area, lymph draining the area. But if swelling is still there, want to make sure you're not broken any bones up there. You can't do massage on broken bones, and that's the key. So yes, it was 25 questions. It's more questions, but they similar about lower back pain, shoulders. Uh, like I said, massage therapy, it's the one of the greatest tool to help you with manage your pain and yeah, your health in general. It's a great stuff. So if you are in Glendale, book us. We have a clinic in Glendale. We also can go to your house if you're a busy person and can't drive. So we can visit you in all metro area of Los Angeles. So book today. This is the phone number, booking link, and we be glad to help you. Give us a call if you have more questions. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.